Friends, welcome to class 7 maths. Today we are going to continue our lesson number 6, the triangles and its properties, exercise 6.3. In that, what is the first question? Find the value of unknown x in the following figure. We are having figures. In that we have to find out value of x, means how much degrees there. Okay, see here in this triangle, one angle 50 degrees, another 60 degrees and other x degrees. This x value we have to find out. Okay, that in before exercise we done that, we know that all the sum of the measures of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So we shall use this property to find out the value of unknown x. Okay, so in that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees now. So angle A how much here? 50 degrees plus angle B, that we don't know, and angle C 60 degrees and angle B we don't know. Okay, and whole the three measures how much? 180 degrees. Now 50 plus 60 how much? 110 degrees plus angle x is equal to 180 degrees. Now this 110 degrees we are shifting to RHS, then symbol also will change. Then angle x equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. Then x value how much it will come? Therefore x is equal to 70 degrees. This is the x value. Okay, and second one, see. Okay, here see what they 30 degrees and other, and 30 degrees and one other altitude, means the straight line 90 degrees. Then here see same formula, that all these measure is 180 degrees. Angle A, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R we have to take. First angle Q how much? 30 degrees plus angle P 90 degrees and angle X we have to find out. All measure how much? 180 degrees. 30 degrees plus 90 degrees how much? 120 degrees plus angle X is equal to 180 degrees. So angle X we have to find out. This 120 degrees we are shifting to RHS, then 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. Therefore angle X value how much it will come here? 60 degrees. How much? 60 degrees. Okay, now third one, here also we are having two angles, we have to find out the x value, and all the measures of this triangle how much? 180 degrees. Now 30 degrees plus 110 degrees and angle x we have to find out in the triangle is equal to all the measures, sum of measures in three sides how much? 180 degrees. Now 30 plus 110 degrees is 140 degrees plus angle x is equal to 180 degrees. Now angle x we have to find out. This 140 degrees we are shifting to RHS, then 180 degrees minus 140 degrees. Therefore angle x value how much it will come here? It is 40 degrees. So angle x here how much? 40 degrees. Now next one, see here. See in this, one angle is 50 degrees and two x there. One is x and other also x. Same formula we have to use. That means see x plus 50 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. That all measure we have to take now. X plus x, it is 2x plus 50 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. This 50 degrees we are shifting to other side. So sorry, angle x, angle 2x. How much it will come here? X. Now 50 degrees we are shifting to that side, then how much it will come? 180 degrees minus 50 degrees. To angle x is equal to, now subtract, how much it will come here? Subtracting, then it is 130 degrees. So angle x is equal to, here 2 multiplying that side going, then divide. So 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10. Therefore angle x is equal to 65 degrees. Okay, now next one, see, we have to find the x value. Okay, so 3x there. First same, angle x plus angle x plus angle x is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, now angle x plus angle x plus angle x, 3x, 3 angle x is equal to 180 degrees. Now angle x, this 3 here multiplication doing that side going, then divide upon 3. Angle x is equal to 3 6 the 18 and 0. So therefore angle x is equal to 60 degrees. Now next one, 2x and x. Here altitude means straight line, it is 90 degrees. Okay, so same formula we have to use. Once angle 2x Okay, angle 2x plus angle x plus 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, 2 angle x and angle x means 3 angle x plus 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, this 90 we are that side shifting, then minus. So 3 angle x is equal to 180 degrees minus 90. So 3 angle x, how much it will come here? 90 degrees. Okay, now these 3 that side we are shifting, then divide happening. 90 degrees upon 3. 330, 3 3s are 9 and 0, now 30 degrees. Therefore, angle x is equal to how much? 30 degrees. What is the next question? Find the value of the unknown x and y in the following diagrams. Here we have to find out x and y values from the figure. Okay, see here first figure, see angle x and angle y we have to find out, and one angle is 50 degrees and one exterior angle also given, that is 120 degrees. This y and this exterior angle is parallel. So from before question we did know that exterior angle minus measure of interior angle. Okay, so from that angle y plus 120 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, it is parallel. So all three triangle measure how much there? 180 degrees and exterior angle 120. So it is parallel. So angle y plus 120 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So now when this 120 that side shifting, then 180 degrees minus 120 degrees, then how much it will come here? 60 degrees. So sum of measure of triangles how much? 180, no? So see angle x plus angle y plus 50 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so angle x we don't know, angle y we don't know. So angle x plus angle y is equal to 180 degrees. This 50 that side shifting, then minus 50 degrees. So angle x plus angle y is equal to how much it will come? 130 degrees. Angle y we are knowing, now we find out that angle value is 60 degrees, then angle x plus 60 degrees is equal to 130 degrees. Therefore angle x how much it will come? 130 degrees minus 60 degrees. Then therefore angle x will come as 70 degrees. So angle y also 60 degrees came, angle x also 70 degrees came. Okay, now what is the next question? Here also we have to find out y and x values, and here angle y is opposite to the other exterior angle. Okay, so sum of the measure of the triangle how much? 180 degrees. Therefore triangle x plus angle y plus 50 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so angle x plus angle y quite opposite to the other angle, no? So that angle we will take, that is 80 degrees plus 50 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So angle x plus 80 plus 50 how much there? 130 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so angle x is equal to 130 degrees, we are shifting to that side, means 180 degrees minus 130 degrees. Therefore angle x how much it will come? It is 50 degrees. Okay, and angle y we are knowing an angle quite opposite to 80 degrees. Okay, so therefore angle x is equal to 50 degrees and angle y is equal to 80 degrees. Okay, now next one. So here also we have to find out the x and y values, but here we are having x is the exterior angle. Okay, so we will see what will come. So first all the measures 180 degrees, so is equal to 180 degrees. So first 50 degrees plus 60 degrees plus angle y is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, angle y is equal to 180 degrees. So here see, here angle x and y are in a linear pair. What is a linear pair? So linear pair means what? The adjacent angles formed when two lines intersect. Okay, that is a linear pair. So 50 degrees plus 60 degrees plus angle y is equal to 180 degrees. 50 plus 60 110 degrees plus angle y is equal to 180 degrees. This 110 degrees we are shifting to that side, means 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. So angle y how much it will come now? It is how much? 70 degrees. How much? 70 degrees. So now here angle x and angle y form a linear pair. Okay, then angle x plus angle y is equal to 180 degrees. Angle x that we don't know, that angle y 70 degrees. Okay, then what will come here? Angle x we have to find out. Then angle x equal to 70, we are shifting that side, means 180 degrees minus 70. So how much it will come here? 110 degrees. Okay, therefore angle x equal to 110 degrees and angle y is equal to 70 degrees. Okay, now we will see the next one. Fourth one, see angle x. Here see quite opposite to, quite are vertically opposite angles. Angle x and 60 degrees are vertically opposite angles. So we will take angle x is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, now sum of measures of the three angles of a triangle is how much? 180 degrees. So angle x plus angle y plus 30 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Angle x we took as 60 degrees plus angle y plus 30 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So 60 plus 30 how much? Angle y 90 degrees plus angle y is equal to 180 degrees. So this 90 we are shifting to that side, then 180 degrees minus 90 degrees, how much it will come? Angle y is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore angle x is equal to 60 degrees and angle y is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. The fifth one what given here? 2 angle x, 2 times angle x given, and then here angle y is vertically opposite to this 90 degrees. So we will take angle y is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, because angle y and 90 degrees are vertically opposite angles. Okay, now sum of measures of this triangle how much? 180 degrees. So sum of measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So angle x plus angle y plus angle x is equal to 180 degrees. Angle x plus angle x plus 2 angle x plus angle y is equal to 180 degrees. 2 angle x plus angle y, how much we took here? 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So 2 angle x, this 90 degrees we are shifting to RHS, then means 180 degrees minus 90 degrees. 2 angle x is equal to how much it will come? 90 degrees. Now this here multiply happening, that side will go, then divide will happen, then me 90 degrees upon 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. Therefore angle x is equal to 45 degrees. Okay, thus angle x is equal to 45 degrees and angle y is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, now next one. Now sixth one what? See angle x, angle y and angle x. Here what there? Angle y is equal to angle x because these are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so therefore angle y is equal to angle x. Why we are taking like that? Because angle x and angle y are vertically opposite angles. Okay, so the measures of this triangle is how much? 180 degrees. The measures of each of the two other angles of triangles is also x. Okay, therefore angle x plus angle x plus angle x is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so angle x plus angle x plus angle x, 3 angle x is equal to 180 degrees. This 3 here multiply happening, then that side it will go, it will divide. So 180 degrees upon 3, 3 6 are 18, 0. Therefore angle x is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore angle x is equal to 60 degrees and angle y also 60 degrees. Okay, because the measures of other two angles also x only, then so angle x is equal to angle y we took, then angle y also will come 60 degrees. Okay, thank you students.